Okay, there we go. There we go. Hey, maybe it's the year of the soft plastic. All right, check that out. I caught a drum on a soft plastic. Oh, better get that in there. Let me get it in the net before I lose another one. All right. No skunks today. No skunks today. Yes. All right. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to make a video of that. It's a shrimp though. It's that shrimp scent, that shrimp profile. All right. Man, that was not hooked very well. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that lip is getting pretty ripped up. Check this guy out. Look at that, huh? All right. Let me measure this guy. Drum only have to be 14 inches, but this guy is 16 and 1/4. Y'all can see right here. Lip up against the board, 16 and 1/4. That right there is a keeper. Thank God, Jesus Christ. Thank the Lord. All right. Let me get a picture of that too. Well, I guess I'll just take a screenshot. I don't want to waste too much time, but what I caught that on, I just put this on. I just put this Gulp shrimp, and I put it on. Man, it's the first time I've caught on one of these type of jig heads right here with all this. I honestly don't know what it is, so I'm gonna have to look that up and let y'all know. But I should be putting it in the video. Yeah, it's a decent drum. And I caught it on the Gulp Alive, the new penny shrimp, 3-inch. So that's pretty cool. So shrimp has been doing it. It's good because I still have shrimp. I'm gonna toss some shrimp out into that creek mouth over there and let that bob. And I'll keep tossing this shrimp imitation and see what happens. That's cool, man. I'm glad I caught a keeper today. Always makes a trip worth it when you catch at least one keeper. Okay, I'm gonna toss this into this way direction with the wind and let it drift over towards the mouth. Okay, well, that is not where I was trying to put it, but that'll work. I like to put the drag real loose so that if I'm working another one, if that gets taken on a bite, I'll hear the drag being pulled out. As far as the setup that I use to catch that drum, I'm using the Penn Battle 3 7-foot medium power fast action. It's really light. It's a 3000 reel with 30-pound braid. This is honestly my favorite spinning combo. I've said it before. I've seen people catch fish with nothing more than line wrapped around a beer bottle. So line, hook, bait, weight, and then they'd wrap it around a beer bottle, and then they just kind of toss it out there and let the string come off of the beer bottle. And when they caught a fish, they just roll it back up. So where there's a will, there's a way. So with that drum, I was just giving it a little pop pop and then reel in the slack, pop pop, reel in the slack. You know, I change it up, especially if I've been sitting in one spot for a long time and I'm not getting a bite. I might go to like a pop reel, like constantly reeling and popping and that just makes the lure go. Or I might do like a pop, 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 let it fall, then reel in that slack, pop, 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 let it sit for a second, pop, pop, pop. It all just depends, you know. You got to kind of find what's working for you. That's why I got into using lures, is because I used to just throw out shrimp, let it sit there. Maybe I'd have another rod and reel with some shrimp on it, and I'd have that one in my hand. But I much prefer working a lure. I can still put shrimp on a line and let it sit there, but I want something in my hand, something that I'm working, so that, you know, I'm constantly doing something. Okay, that honestly does look like it's moving, so let me check it out real quick. Actually, I have another fish on that. Yeah, that thing's moving, so. Yeah, I think there's something on that. Yeah, I knew I saw it moving around. And look at that, another drum. All right. All right, that one's hooked good. That one's not coming on. You know what? I'm not gonna chance it, because. All right, settle down, guys. Settle down. Settle down. Let me get you off the hook. Looks like the drum are here, man. That's cool. Okay. Let's measure this guy. This guy's looking on the smaller side. Oh no, that's 14 and a half. That's keeping two. All right. Yeah, I'm making some fish tacos tonight. Looks like shrimp is on the menu. So what I'm using is a popping cork, an H&H popping cork with about, this is 10 inches of 50-pound mono. Now let me tell you why I'm using such a short leader. This is really shallow area. So I don't need, you know, 12, 18, 24 inches for it to just be sitting there on the bottom. Also, I'm not working it right now. I'm not popping it. I'm just letting it sit there. And that way I can see if something like that, a smaller fish that is legal, decides to bite it, and I don't hear that drag working, I can see the popping cork started moving around. So that's what I'm doing there. And actually, this shrimp is still good. It's still got scent, and something could still come by and bite that. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on there.
So it turned out I had to go ahead and change out the entire rod reel combo for my popping cork. It turned out that along with the loose reel that had that corroded part of the bail that was rubbing the line and cutting it on the cast, there was also a guide that had a sharp piece on that loose rod, and on the cast as well, it would cut the line. So I just went ahead and put that away and ended up rigging the popping cork on my Falcon rod with my Shimano Cayuse reel. Turned out to be a good idea because I ended up hooking into this really nice black drum.
I'll let you know what happens with this. Later. Yes. How about that? Look at that monster. How about that, man? Yes. Spin your tail. Yes, sir. That's 19.5 inches. Nice. Look at this little guy. Look at that little guy, huh? All right, it's time to go. Started with the tiny guy, ended with the tiny guy. All right, I'm gonna let you go, bro. There you go. All right. Hey y'all, thanks a lot for fishing with me today. If y'all haven't done so already, please subscribe. I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed. Each person that subscribes gets me one step closer to reaching that 1,000 subscriber mark, when I'll finally be able to realize the American dream, which is to get paid to do what you love, right? I love fishing, and if y'all are watching my videos, all I can say is thank y'all very much. God bless and tight lines. I'll catch y'all next time.